How to use Discord on MetaQuest 3 VR. This guide will show you how to access Discord on your MetaQuest 3 VR headset by using its built-in web browser. This method allows you to log in and use Discord's web interface directly within your virtual environment. First, put on your MetaQuest 3 headset and turn it on. From your VR home environment, locate and open the browser application. Once the browser opens, you'll see a search bar. Type Discord into the search bar and hit enter to select the search icon. From the Google search results, look for the official Discord website, usually discord.com, and click on the link to open it. Once the Discord website in your VR browser, you will see options to log in or open Discord in your browser. Select the login option. Enter your Discord email or phone number and your password into the respective fields using the VR keyboard. After successfully logging in, Discord's web interface will load within your VR browser. You should now be able to see your servers, direct messages, and voice channels. While you are within your MetaQuest 3 VR environment, you need to ensure your microphone is active. Press the Meta or Oculus button on the right touch controller to bring up the universal menu. Look for the Quick Settings panel. This is often an icon that shows the time, battery level, and Wi-Fi signal, or it might be a gear icon in the corner of the universal menu. Tap on it. Within the Quick Settings panel, tap the Settings icon to open the main system settings. In the main settings menu, navigate to and select System. Look for and select the sound option. Inside the sound settings, you'll find various audio options. Look for a setting related to your microphone or input device. Ensure the microphone is enabled or unmuted. There might be a toggle switch for mute microphone. While you are in the sound settings, also ensure your headset's output volume is set to a comfortable level so you can hear Discord audio clearly once you join a call. Navigate back to the Discord browser tab. Click on any voice channel within a server. If your microphone settings are correct, you should be able to join the call and communicate. While in a call, you might be able to use Discord's in-browser controls to mute or unmute your mic or adjust volume.